no na dwenye me until say ebeba ka say nya na dwenye no na dwenye no because it is say obekotro say singaton course yi no watro say na wugina wona as no wakuki swache wo wakuki chepa Ghana for I feel say you're very sympathetic as people, but for this particular one they shouldn't let it slide. It shouldn't.
Oh, said there was
I pray I see her again.
Cool that. Yeah.
She should rest and then you be share someday. That's about it. Chef no or mental problem. No, I feel so like psychologically, no. In here, psychologists and as a person to evaluate the thought process and the way that he thinks because so strange. Say in this time, our social media,
the internet.
It's crazy for somebody didn't bush your for bet nasi. No, na dwenye me until say ebeba ka say nya na dwenye no na dwenye no because it is say obekotro say singaton course yi no watro say na wugina wona as no wakuki swache wo wakuki chepa Ghana for I feel say you're very sympathetic as people, but for this particular one they shouldn't let it slide. It shouldn't.
Oh, said there was sunya wa pacho.
Yeah, because couldn't get here or apologize to the second lady, you know, because that woman allegedly, from what I heard, was supporting him heavy.
Wow.
What I say?
Heavy.
Exactly. Very beautiful heart. What I say? Yeah. Oh, so heavy, you know, for you to go and deceive. Would they just imagine, say, if there were pictures out of her? No. Can you see what the opposition would have done with her? For you to be bringing all these people inside. Na unim sadie no enye no say usually no bet me a joke around ka say ya mob na kai got to a time can we jai because you've gotten the attention already. What you say can we
let the your buy kon kan kwaya for
and I say enye no correct meboa na me dada mo na be like that. Let's laugh about it. But for you to be going to all these personalities, and from what I get that no person will share Madam Lordina so much but almost schedule and then to me meeting for you to go to such a high profile woman. Why a lot of charity, no some villages and towns. One of these days I'll list that. She's done a lot of good works. But who say they don't really broadcast it. Me, that's why I like her in a sense. Me, my Bible tells me, says, oh yeah, Papa Mobia. You shouldn't go about trumpeting what you are doing for people. And Nam said, nah. What deceive a few people like that, high profile people like Madam Lordina and Interno. I do not think say it should let it slide. What you say you can't fool such people like that and go scot muno. Say na Boroo
fall for it.
And my ensue boy ya make us scam no. Me I'm not afraid. Say Amadia shopping center no. If they take this damn apology for that. Some waba apologize say no more the video ni ade to her it's because of that. Me I'm not buying it. Say if say public deception or be deceive you or more company as bigger because listen we are not kids here. How people can do things in order to attract attention to them. It's me no I'm sitting here saying say if Nana Boroo and his team they don't take action against Sam Smith. Honorable Chef Smith, me my bridge I'm meeting ahead them face omo kan bi because no this is
no.
We need joke
and almost feel say if he be able to omo like
it's chef no DCV Ghana and the FIN guy
so onyo omo na ye
they sponsor it they you soon of course now they are scammers if they don't come out to sue the boy say adi or here you know we are not and yes mediocrity kind of public relation na papa ne be ye no no I'm not buying it because yes yet na ho no
deceive woman
no so etna ho
but you deceive woman
who told you that
according to guy no or say letter na or the bet you say Guinness Frogman Quine on one co edit you see what I'm trying to let you know ne say Singaton ne nyama ye nyina no if you Santua could have also deceived us I maybe and but eventually she didn't. She went through the same process. It is a truly because in him, Guinness World Record na yetna Ghana higher DD agrono. It's really people are really fetching out of it. It's opening doors for people. It is not a joke. It is a pass. I'm a dear shopping center, and you're part of this karma. You are not taking the video. It can be said. Uba besu. Where they take the fall for us. Besu. Because ni according to you. Yes, now. So we see now. And the media said they are not part of it. Okay. But say, oh my soon because any joke. 33 days. And you make come for how go dibi. 33 days for cooking. I'm a yawo be se file. File ekom starting now obe wie na na opanati si mu ni Ghana for rubbish file wait to be anu aduane na nche file one break it me so I'm a dear shopping center. I'm throwing a challenge because me dey me mabom suspect because yet na internet era mu tie bia mo de sa de se be ya mo praise ni begidin it say nya dia sa video ya crocodile tears papa say say ye for mo catal cries na
me kan say ye wo niam bi wo ho a emra woto mra ese ye twa so se na be yo chena bi obi nye biem nya me kan not ya say ye say si ano sa fraud nketin Sanya marketing getting and Sanya may na them action man you move bafem. Says here because we Ghana for price first. BBC report about this oh, Mete say na say
it's a former first lady Mrs. Lodina Mahama Onini Kunu Réact Shopping Center Dr. Crete Nana Boroo Jenny Assemblyman Honorable Ibrahim Dauda Honorable Rashid Ghana Fujina Ghana Fanayina Niyasinina Ghana Chef Associate Obibia Odin Nini Ebeta Kukato Nechi Ghana Pose Ufame Boni Jame Mafum can say and says Metina Sibi Mupo Miss Say Mefa Boni Check Mafum or Manina Everybody can see I am Fata think I'm Metina Sibium and so it's Rubia say Umupo Umabusia mopo.
Acho, obi baby sasa boni a wo kan nyina NC.
Am kan nyina ne se ka to ne ko so bibia no. Enye no kre.